So you've secured your Bitcoin loan, now what? I'm Joe Sanchez, Lending Operations Specialist at SALT, and this is where strategy really comes into play. A Bitcoin-backed loan gives you liquidity without selling your crypto. That means you still hold your long-term position, but now you have the capital to deploy. Some borrowers use their loan for real estate purchases or down payments, putting their Bitcoin to work in physical assets. Others use it for business expansion, funding operations, hiring, or new opportunities without giving up equity. Some use it for investment diversification, allocating capital into other markets while maintaining their Bitcoin exposure. And for many, it's about tax strategy, accessing liquidity without triggering a taxable event from selling Bitcoin. The key is intentionality. A loan shouldn't just be about accessing cash, it should align with a broader financial plan. When used strategically, a Bitcoin loan can be a powerful financial tool, helping you unlock opportunity while staying committed to your long-term conviction.